Hello everybody and welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail. I hope that you would stick around for a while. I am a wife, a mother of 3 boys. We are on a journey to debt freedom, financial independence while building generational wealth. So on this channel, we talk about budgeting, managing money, saving money, and getting out of debt. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so you know when to come back around. And if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for your support. I am going to be sharing with you guys today our debt update. I'm first going to use undebt.it, and then I'm going to come back to this tool notebook where I have my student loans. We're tracking each and every loan individually and the loans all together combined. And then I'm going to show you on the spreadsheet where I've created a tracker so that we can see how much progress we've made percentage wise. So again, we are on a debt-free journey and I thank you guys for staying tuned so we can get into today's video. So the last time I gave you guys an update, the balance ended at $13,420. So what I'm going to do is scroll down. I'm going to take a look at the loan summary. 8/27 ended last month with a loan balance of $1,863.99. So we're going to update those payments, and the projected date for payoff for loan 8/27 is still February 2021. 2021 is our year to become debt free. That is the declaration, and that is what we're doing, and the math is going to add up. Before the end of the year, we're going to see how far we're going to get with paying off all of these loans. All right, so we added the $91.06 payment that was made on December 4th, and we'll save the transaction. So I think I'm missing a payment. November 25th, $354. Transaction added. And here we go. The balance of all of the loans is now $12,678. The balance on loan 8/27 is showing $1,122. And the balance has gone down. Now I'm going to go back quickly and check the dashboard. And now our dashboard is still showing a debt freedom date of July 2022, balance of $12,678. Loan 27 still has a projected payoff month of February 2021. Again, we're going to pick up again in January, the very first paycheck. We're going to start really attacking the loan. Now we need to move on to the next part of this video, which is our shading portion. I love that portion. Okay, so I usually keep track of all of the payments we made using one of these mini half sheets, or I also have little sticky note that I purchased from Cloth and Paper. I'm going to do some shading in now, and then also we're going to calculate these payments quickly so we can see how much we can shade in. All right, so pulling out the calculator, and we're going to add up these payments. $25.48 on the 19th of November, $354 on the 25th of November, $91.06 on December 4th, $220.95 on December 10th, and then $50.51 on December 17th. Which brings us to a total of $742. Each square is worth $140. The total amount of debt we paid is $742 from last update till now, divided by the number each square is worth. That's 5.3, so we're going to shade in 5 squares. let's move on to the debt-free tracker for loan 827. Okay, so on this sheet, we are going to be able to shade in 37 squares, you guys. Just so you remember, each square is worth $20, and I'm going to show you on the calculator so you guys know that I'm not lying. Each square is worth $20, and if we shade in 37 squares, that is a total of $740. $20 per square, 37 squares, 740. Out of 742, that's not bad. Let's get the shading. Wow. That was a lot of shading. Wow. Whoever told me that this was therapeutic did not lie, because I really had a good time shading in all of this. Oh, you guys, so here we are. 37 squares, $740. I don't know where my black pen went, so I'm going to use the blue one. And right here, I'm just going to write 740 so I can remember for next time. You guys, we've paid $742 towards debt from the last update till now, and we are almost halfway there. We're almost halfway to paying off loan 827. All right, let's move to our debt-free tracker in Excel now. Okay, so on this debt payoff spreadsheet that I've created, loan token 823 and 824, you guys know have been paid in full. Now we're in December, and 827 is the focus, and we have a total balance left of $1,121.99. We have 57.18% left of this loan to pay off, and I'm so excited that we are almost done. And again, the balance of the total loans is $12,678.10. We're almost done. So guys, I thank you so much for joining in with us today. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and we hope that you close out December strong based on your terms. What is your big goal that you hope or will have completed by the end of December? Let us know down in the comments so we can encourage you, and let's keep this encouragement movement going. We are so excited for 2021 because it's going to be exactly what we make of it, you guys. Thank you so much. Mind your money, manage it well, and live your life to the fullest. Bye, guys.